wheel here. I'm going to be showing you how to put the wheel or the rim back together. Um, with this, I've went ahead and dimensioned it exactly how they have here. All I've simply done is taken these dimensions and threw them on here. I basically just put 4 circles on here, didn't worry about dimensioning, and then I came back and put the exact same dimensions on here that you saw that were on the other one. So there's where I'm starting off at. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and do an extrusion right here. It's telling me it's going to be 0.57. So from here, I'm going to go ahead and finish my sketch. I'm going to extrude. And the one thing we haven't talked about is in Inventor you can extrude 2 things at the same time by clicking on both of those. Again, what I did is I said finish sketch. I'm just repeating myself here. I went to extrude, and I'm going to click on the inner one and the outer one, and I'm going to tell it that I want it to be 0.57 inches. And now I've got the inner part of the rim and the outer part of the rim. What I'm going to do now is create a sketch right on here. I'm going to project some geometry. I'm going to project this inner circle and that circle. I'm going to go ahead and project all the circles while I'm at it. And what I'm getting ready to do here then is I'm going to create this piece right here, and I'm going to click on this one right here, which means it's going to go, I can click on this one or this one, but this one's a little faster. I'm going to set them both to be 0.050, so it's going to extrude both into the rim and out of the rim this same distance. So now I'm going to go finish sketch. I can extrude. I'm going to click here in the middle, except now I'm going to make it it was 0.57. Just double check here what that was. 0.50. And now I've got the basic parts of my rim here now are created. The last part then is just going to be creating this piece. It says you may use the circle and trim tools to create this shape. On here it tells us that it has a diameter here of 0.250. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create another sketch, and in here I'm going to project some geometry, make sure that all this stuff's here, and then I'm going to come up here and choose circle. I'm going to click right on that. I'm going to bring it out here, and then I'm going to dimension it to 0.25 diameter. Let's make sure that that's correct. 0.25, 0.25. Looks like we're going to be correct there. Even though my picture looks a tad bit different than what they have there. I'm going to go up here now, and this is the trim tool that we've been talking about several times in class. And what this is going to do now is this is going to allow me to get rid of any excess. Okay, what I'm going to do from here now is I'm going to finish sketch. I'm going to do an extrusion. I'm going to cut that piece out. And now what that did is it cut it out. The next thing I'm going to do now is there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these. So again, I'm going to use this circular pattern tool, which is, oh, I lost it, right here. The feature, I'm telling it I want to cut that feature out. My axis, doesn't matter as long as I pick something circular here. Alright, we'll pick that as my axis, and I think I want 5 of them. And I'm going to hit OK. And notice now how it's cut those 5 out. And essentially, we have the rim now. They're doing this a little bit different way. We did it with the circular pattern. We are done at this point. So we've got all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these. We've got our center, and there's our rim. Well, hey, I hope that was helpful for you. I'll catch you on the flip side.